guys doing? I'm Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades.
And I'm Sara.
This is the third green day in November, continuing that awesome momentum from October.
Yeah.
And today, what did we trade?
Today we traded AGRX. Their news was that they announced a favorable outcome of the FDA advisory committed meeting for its investigation in transdermal contraceptive patch for the AG200-15.
Another contraceptive patch. I don't know how it's going to work out, but it worked out great for me.
Yeah.
And AGRX, it had already spiked, it consolidated, and then I caught it on that second spike, and I didn't really expect it to break resistance there. I thought it was going to break down, so I was really conservative on what I was looking for on AGRX, but
yeah,
it performed well, and I'm happy. And ISEE, okay.
Yeah.
ISEE was really spiking. I did chase a little bit on ISEE.
Little bit.
Luckily, I chased it right at the right point and got some profit, and then I waited for that really big pullback. I grabbed it at the bottom. I grabbed it perfectly, and then boom, he just stopped. ISEE held me right there, and I knew I was in a good spot. It had bumped down a little bit, tried to scare me out, and I was like, yeah, that's not going to happen.
Right.
I'll just wait this out, and took me into profit. And then the second drop, same thing. I decided to grab it, but the second drop was perfect. It was just like I grabbed it, put me into profit, I'm out, everything was great. That's the way they're supposed to be, but not all bounces work the same.
Right.
You know, you can just, right where you're at, it ain't happening, you know?
Yeah.
Right at your number, and you're not getting above it. I'm sure anybody who's traded has had this situation happen to them where they get in, and basically the stock pulls down right below their number, comes right to it, doesn't, you know.
Yeah, and it usually just seems to drop sometimes.
This is stock trading, guys. If you don't expect these things, then you maybe, you know.
Yeah, expect it.
If you're going to trade, you need to expect these things.
Right.
And basically that's it. Just 126% of our daily profit target today, and that works for me. I'm really happy. This is a great start to November.
Oh yeah, it's awesome.
And hopefully your guys' trades are doing the same, and study, learn, watch charts. You know, just eat, live, breathe this thing. The trading is not an easy job to where you're just gonna get in there and get rich. You know, that you're gonna see these huge gains. When we first started trading, we saw huge gains. We did, but we also, after gaining quite a bit, and I believe the numbers were far more than I'd conservatively estimated our first gains when we first started trading, like really trading, and I'd said like 12 or 13%, but they were like more like 17% was our first spike in our account, and from there it just was like, you know. So these big spikes aren't really where it's at. Like, it's just be conservative, learn trading, learn price action, you know. And don't expect anything when the news comes through, and it's like, this thing's going to the moon. Well, it's probably not going to the moon because there's other people trading this.
Yeah.
We're creating the price for these stocks, and it's not always what you think it's going to be.
No, it's not. Especially don't think just because it sounds like good news doesn't mean it's gonna.
It doesn't mean that it's gonna perform the way you think it is.
Right.
But anyways, that's our day. I'm Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades. Thanks for joining us.
And I'm Sara. Check us out. Bye. Bye. Hi, I'm Sara with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.